employee. Sa mga media, kilala niyo po ba yung aming mascot?
Chuxi.
Hindi. We need to invest in more, more evaluations, no? So, ang aming mascot sa Chuxugo, pangalan po niya si Chuxi. Napaka-cute. Napaka-Gen Alpha. So, it's something about Chuxugo that we're trying to transition, evolve
paglabas ng elevator.
A bit old brand to someone who is youthful, who is going to serve the future breadwinners of the Filipino community. So, just a quick introduction. The next, just a few things about us. We started, can someone guess where we started? Yung unang-unang food stall namin. Anybody can gather guess? Sir Aldrin, would you want to guess where we started? Sa Chux. Bata ka ba? Kailan ka pinangalan? 2002? 1999. So you were 9 years old. Did you guess where we started? For our first ever outlet. Bulacan. Good! I see the logic because our first house was in Bulacan. But unfortunately, it's not the right answers. Sir Kenneth, nag-google ka na? Tacloban, correct! Bigyan ng manok. Bigyan ng manok. Bigyan kita ng voucher, sir. Just a
Nag-search yan.
So we started in Tacloban. Hindi pa na-choose yung pangalan namin. Ano yung pangalan namin, Asis?
Bounty.
May manok.
May manok.
May chicken. Yan yung ano namin. And dinumog po siya. Talagang dinumog. Like what Attorney Kenneth mentioned earlier, para the company was trying to pivot against the impact of bird flu. So, a roast chicken was a perfect solution to serve the Filipino family. Ang tagline ko namin, sobrang witty. Napaka-Gen Z. Masarap kahit walang sauce. Di ba? Di ba, Aldrin? It resonates? Very good. So, we will keep that tagline moving forward. Alright. We also launched another brand in the Visayas, Mindanao area called Uling Roasters. Saan kaya gawa yung manok sa Uling Roasters?
Uling.
Ma'am, isa. Sa Uling! Perfect! Kaya po namin tinawag na Uling Roasters. It's a very strong brand. We serve charcoal, cooked chicken. We also sell liempo. It's a strong brand actually in the Visayas and Mindanao. So after doing that, we also launched a quick service restaurant called Chux Diner. Before, anong pangalan yan? Adobo Connection. Diba? Sa mga tito-tita like me, kilala po namin na Seth, Adobo Connection. So we transitioned that to Chux Diner. It's a quick service restaurant serving our specialty roast chicken. So that's where we started, 2008, 2013, and very, very young, 2021. Okay. Now, where we are now, so because of the vertical integration and availability of our chicken, and of course the marinades from Viva Group, and the feeds from sina Sir Polo, Mama Lane, napalaki po natin ang Chux to Go. Currently, #1 po siya sa Google search. Ang #1 ang tinatanong sa Chux to Go, Sir, pwede ba mag-franchise? Ang sagot mo namin, hindi. But joke lang. So, when you think of roast chicken, the first brand that comes to mind is Chux to Go. Next, Chux Diner. We started to find better locations and make sure that the dishes that we offer, the value that we offer in Chux Diner, we follow the 3A format. 3 A's. AAA. Available parate. Because of the strength of our fresh food. Diba? Accessible. Mababa po ang presyo namin. Talagang value for money. And amazing because of the marinades that we have from the VAP group. So those are the 3 things that is making Chux Diner an emerging challenger sa quick service restaurant. For Uling Roasters, we've also expanded in the Visayas and Mindanao. It's gaining ground and we want to really be the #1, top of mind, charcoal roast chicken in Visayas. Now, we say, Bounty is now 40 years. Ka-age ko po yung Bounty. I was 5 years old when it started. Where do we take Bounty in the next 400 years. So for Chooks, it's about modernizing the brand. So we started with introducing Chooksy, our mascot. Very Gen Alpha, Gen Beta, basta bata. Because we invest in the future, similar to Bounty. Our value is really about putting family at the heart of everything that we do. So in one family, maraming personalities, and you want to cater to those multi-generational families, starting them young, di ba? So gusto namin bata, ito namin aming influencer or aming ambassador, si Kylie, very, very young, and we want to partner with more youthful influencers moving forward. We also want to be part of a community. Festivals, community events. So where the young peoples are, where the breadwinners are, dun po tayo. We will partner with those social occasions. Last but not the least, we want to create new launch ideas and innovations. So our second value is really to encourage to grow and innovate. We're not resting on the laurels and saying, okay, number one ng Chooks, okay na tayo. Actually, every 7 o'clock, tinetext po ako ng aming chairman, si Sir Tenny. Si Sir Tenny po yung very low profile. He will always text me in the morning, DJ, ilang stores na ba tayo? 3,000 stores na ba tayo? So our ambition is to really multiply and really scale and really touch the lives of all Filipinos for our brands Chooks, UR, and Choosline. So that's my short one-pager. I'd like to end with a very fun video that encapsulates our campaign for this year and the years moving forward. So you can kindly watch the video and make sure that you play with sounds. Thank you so much.
Masarap, gamit ko ng sauce.